Right guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Kamala Josie abangaziyo. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nibe everything apha lehlaka ngo lefa the advice uthatha isikhathi sakho shame precious time uze ngapha uzongilalela and ufele mayele. Thank you. And then balisense benkina Josie I'm storyteller kumuntu ezenzeka life ufuna isikhaqa unenkinga ezenzeka empilweni yakho ngakhona ukishare the next person. Ungayi inbox ku TikTok la ngizokuthola khona number yakho and then mina ngizene ndlebona uzene indaba then ngize ngapha ngizothulela abaleleli bethu story sa gago then bona ba go fema yele or ka dira jwang moving forward. Ngibhalela usisi Nina siyabonga ngiyantshela usisi uri awusijosi ukuganga ara awusijosi usikatshela motho umusadi monna gage nithi ungafuna ukushaya umfazi ngesitini endodeni yakhe yamshada ngiyatshela arina almost bangqwaba because of the wife nanye kumbona ke 6 feet under story time usisi uthi awusijosi yabona amadoda asebenza emasayitini bana wabeka koni bayini awusijosi bana wabatla pressure kapasadi babona I'm telling you uthi hayi awusijosi mina ngisebenza with this other side ne akimoke bereka nkoteng awusijosi mone ke bereka koteng before resign ngisebenza side awusijosi ne ke bereka mo hayi ngusisi mina igama lami nguLydia kinale 40 uthi ngisebenzela lapha awusijosi kinalabana babedi ubilo one university one go high school like akinetaba lomjolo like umjolo ongishayile ngikhathele ngiconcentrate ukuthi ngisebenzela abantwana bami uthi awusijosi hayi kufike insizwa yakhe so tujusa uJames James awusijosi uJames asikade bamcashile emsebenzini hawu yasebenza umuntu anginakana awusijosi bakhona abantu abazana amancane kuJames angawunaka but ubhizi uladelitse ngamarakho James ngiyamdecline uJames ubhizi James ngiyamdecline James operi pala monwana awusijosi is there is visible yabonakala ukuthi umuntu lo kile merit unale musadi but James regreta wena ke batho itsa msedi yakho bobedi uthi awusijosi uJames ihambe boma 6 months so lambala asa give up uJames uthumela ama lunch uthumela abantu uthangezi lunch awusijosi like ukube umuntu ukuthi uba persistent and you know gore alomsadi gemotho like asafele pilo uyogcina nawe usuyalingeka ke uthi awusijosi mina abasingle and loneliness ayishami yathwarana shabo loneliness ikhona ngeke siphikise loneliness bengiphethe uthi hayi ugcina ukuthi ke mina no James sigcina sesi together uthi awusijosi mina nginendlu ngisengele indlu ngihlala nomntwana wami lo usele nenwani uNaporesco University ngiyasebenzela awusijosi uthi hayi ubrothers yena ke ucashile uze ngumsebenzi this side la sebenza like department uthwele department ngoberekela ngokudeni or awusijosi ugayona 45 mina naye almost indanga sifuna kancane yabona uthi hayi kube mnandi awusijosi ubrothers angitshela kinalo umsadi kinalo bayithreko haye umfazi makasebenza housewife but kahle namme ulamani untabisithe ke batla a way out so now that I found you kinale matla go khedi gore nka motlogela mbeola uthi ngimtshele mina ukuthi you know what let's rather date ungayiki umfazi wakho because of reason kube yimi wena if ubaxoxela msadi ya gago motlogele because of your own reasons hayi gore le baka go be ledi yabona uthi ubrother said no man khali ngikutlogela neke tshabo ba tloba ke le one and ke na motho o mogolo bese nyakoratana le bana ba re jane tšhelete fela ba re bonela mapone uthi kusho brother ngizongixolela bili into senza kuhlekisa mina ngizohleka abantu abana 45 asokuthola ngoba abantwana okay sorry yabo so usisi uthi okay ubrothers vele abe umuntu ukuthi very futhi vele babe ku relationship ubrothers ucashile wani uthi awusijosi mina ngiavoid ukuthi uJames aze kwami and ngiavoid ukuthi uJames abone umntwana wami ngingazitshela ngathi umuntu ongizomdate ngizomkhombisa umntwana wami sengibona ukuthi our relationship iyakolinya lo angizokhomba umntwana wami umuntu engihlangana naye boma 3 months 6 months ago I'm not going to do it uthi awusijosi hayi uJames understand ukuthi angeke abone umntwana angeke aze nakwami James was like no babe bobedi again e tla haka nna lona ba tlo ba together e tla haka uthi awusithozi uJames I don't want to lie to you umuntu bekangipamparisha bothoko uthi lo muntu lo yangaba number 1 priority yakhe angingathi kithwere ke tlhogo uJames uyacela emsebenzini kiyakodokuphengi kithwere angake kithwere ki flu or kithwere ke mholo uJames everything yakhe yama because of unqina nyakula uthi hayi awushozi angiphathe kahle uJames uthi angiphathe kahle angenze ngifile ngathi ngiteenage or le rato lela watswa rato lela so thoma ngoratana ubona this person gore ke motho ba motho wa for ebila linyalane bile bana le bele motswaleni uthi ithando lethu belinjalo best plus together ilunch emsebenzini udla nami sihamba together weekend together awushozi uthi impilo ke ichacheke sesiba like goes to an extent ukuthi manje satshela ama family members wakhe ukuthi no mina I found someone engimthanda igama lakhe Lydia angicala ngi-introduce kuma video call ukuthi this is the lady bengintshela ngaye ngiyamthanda I think it's time ukuthi ngiyeza naye ekhaya ngiqomthibisha everyone ke bahlomnyana uthi ngibona ukuthi sidinge manje seba serious nami phela fanele ngiyo reporter ngasekhaya ukuthi hayi athi ngithola insizwa phela ifuna ukuza ngasekhaya uthi awushozi ubrothers angitshela ukuthi ekyahayi so mangikhaya I'm going to sit down with umfazi wami ngimchazele yonke into ukuthi na I feel ukuthi umshado wethu ufile ake batoro bomsado bube yitilida ke batoro bomsadi wakhe my one and only wife ngithi hayi okay wena if ubuya ekhaya mina that's when la ngacapha introducer kuma family members wami up until msade how nizwana ngoba uthi hayi awushozi be kanjalo ubrother sivele offer atsamaye ayikhaya uthi amangase ekhaya ngephone call ikhaya uthi it was around 11 ebusuku phone call hello yeah wena wakawenzela mina uthi inhlamba iphuma efonini inhlamba iphuma uthi ngiyamuzwa uJames ukhona lapho uma bangifonela James xokhela motho usarukho motho wonke uthi uyakumtsa gore ke mangwe umurogela yabona uthi ngizwe ukuthi okay lo muntu ukhuluma nomuntu athi hayi asimfonele only for her ukuthi anroge yabona uthi ashozi ke drop phone ngafuna ukushona kusazange ngikhulume next vele ngathi hello waqala wathi inhlamba mina ngasidobhela ifoni azange ngikhuluma I the following day ngisaba no WhatsApp eLujames ngisaba nokumfonela I'm not calling ngiyahlala ke uthi how afternoon uJames angifonela uthi she sorry baby azangikhona ukukufonela cause best family meeting ekseni ufuna ubachazela ngendaba yakho how manje uhambe kanjani hey msadi wahana abanye uthama wahanele uthena kaphuma indlu yethu uthi okay acceptile ukuthi umfazi akasale la endlini because unabantwana nami so nje ukuthi mina naye asihlukane thena ngeke sihlukane mina naye sohlukana emgodi sohlukanisa one of us maka emgodini mara ukuthi sohlukana because of nake bone motho omunga it will never happen uthi awushozi ngitshela ukuthi hey mina ke indaba yakho manje ke asi hold on indaba ukuthi ngiintroduce abasekithi up until indaba yakho on your side isoteka uthi awushozi ngithathe light ukuthi hayi man ukwatile lo muntu like indaba itlofida kulokho uthi awumazi umfazi uthi awushozi umfazi inamba yamsekanayo or nanroha kushole montsagara nanroha uthi amagama wangitshela wona ekugcineni ware nawo ntsibi awungazi sisi enuzongazi enuzohamba uhambele ukuthi ungazi cause umese nomuntu wrong uthi amagama wakhe asale engqondweni yami but because of mona nanrata nekino khafa James ayifile ke motho ora awusozikana ko ngingene ngaphakathi ethandweni ngiyamthanda phela lo muntu sengiphila kwakhe ngamhlathwe ejama ahamba ushiskia kimi ngiyaya laphana ngiyaklina ke radi spring cleaning kubu everything lahlala khona bayangazi bangazi as Mosadi or awushozayi uJames athi mina my love abuyi uthi at my love mina angiyohlehlela mrago because of this person mina nawe siqhubekela phambili mina basikithi ngibajela ukuthi ke batla wena and na ke batla kunyala ke batla ubumsadi wakho wakumlawo so ukuthi usisi uthini ake sadikena but yena wathi gore nalena re ka sihlele re saba together uthi uJames makabuya awushozi afike ke mafika angibeke phansi athi no ke batla ukuhlalisa ukuthi ke tsamayele jwa uthi asho-ke ukuthi hayi mfazi ngithethe ngamhambisa ngamisa ngasekosini siyokhuluma kohoshing gore mna le motho ra gana simushu and then family-ke sahamba saya ngasekibo mfazi sabatshela-ke ukuthi mina lo muntu siyahlukana and angifuni ukuthi kusasa sicabane ukuthiwa akangamujaselo siyahlukana indlu zosala naye mina the only things engizothatha endlini ama-personal items wami finisha everything ngiyoyishiya bana mafela khwedi ngwana ke tlo ba romela tšhelete batho mfazi awushozi anga-accepti asabatle gore ngweditše ke le so ke sena bana o šala bana ba 3 nyakwa go mosadi o mongwe na le bana ba babedi wa le ena o ba mosadi uthi angichazele erection ka mfazi but mfazi amagambo yakhuluma beka threatenisha gore o tlo ntseba James wa challenge James o tlo ntseba ubona wathi amagambo beka washoke mfazi hayi uJames athi manje ngicela ukwenza the second step ukuthi ngaza abantwana bakho uintroduce family yakho cause grade ake batho ba boyfriend na 45 years ngidala ayike usisi uthi ngicela ngiintroduce abantwana bami boyi2 abantwana bami babe civil towards yena nje but kungabe ukuthi ngibafohla ngaye ngifoster or bam accept ngafuni ukuthi futhi bona bam accept the natural way until bona babe free around yena which I was choosing like introduce ko family ni after introduce the family ni khoda ifela I was choosing motoromelele ngwalo so romela ngwalo kanye amandwende vele eseke family uthi I was choosing amandwende eze hobe mnati brothers like bekazimisela ukuthi kufihla ko family ngabo yona ke ba bontsha gore ke nna mali awon uthi kube mnandi I was choosing enjoy relationship ni enjoy I family sizama ukuyibuild together hobe monati uthi unyaka udlule awusjozi unyaka amadlu sinani ubrothers sihlangane ku Good Friday a week after Good Friday emsebenzini so ngaha awufela ka December until Mahadi then rethome ngwahayi or after awusjozi after Mahadi umama ke manje aze emsebenzini la sebenza khona ekseni sithi safika umuntu usegedini or awusjozi umuntu athome arohe mina akangazi like personally bekaqala like begolo motho gore umpone ko dinepeng ka magadi ka lobola ama family members amthumile moyana oki o ama family members bamthe ukuthi moyana o bereka lela kwa side kwa awusizo umuntu simthole asimele ngaphandle uthi aqale athuthuleke angenelele uJames kathapha awusizo me ola utlile le bana ba hayi ba 3 uthukana so abantwana bakhona uthi awusizo umuntu wathuka uJames wathuka uJames like abantu bazama like ukuthi bamkhula bed down angathi uthi awusizo phambi kwabelungu athukane afihle abantu afuna ukushaya uJames phambi kwabantu awusizo kepeni kachaba ngijwayele ukuthi ngasifake emanyofolo feni uthi ayama security vele ake ambambe ke umama uthi umuntu ascreen arikra mahwatsi bor wena awusapote bani awusizo umuntu ayenza drama egedini yenza drama abelungu vele bathi decide ukuthi what asibize umama angene ngaphakathi noJames siza ukuthi what's really going on hayi uJames angene nomama ke office nabelungu uchaze ukuthi lo muntu sihlukene mina na ukuthi bengishada this person so akafuna anya kwamhela uthi ayibele abelungu vele bamtshela umama ukuthi hayi mama sizoyenza sure ukuthi uJames uyakuthumela imali every month from now on or abelungu vele bazama ukuthi bavale lehlazo because like lehlazo lenzakala because uJames idala sebenza kule company uphethe une department ayiphethe what I was choosing usisi kube ngathi abelungu mina bamfa platform uthi abuye the following day still wenza the same thing uthi abelungu babona ukuthi these things ngiyabona ke manje seba worse because akeza the following day awushows usahlamale bana ba esikolweni ukwa uthi the following day makaza manje utletse mama usisi uthi awushozi umuntu uzele mina or anzenele athabelunge baphume ke manje babona ukuthi no this thing ngefa ukuthi ba stop uthi vele bamtshela ukuthi no this time sizobizela amaphoyisa because yesterday bolala sakhuluma nawe kahle sakutshela ukuthi sizosho ukuthi uJames abantwana abasupporta so now sozile for ama personal vendettas wakho sicela ukuthi ubalindele abantu bashayise because la indawo yebusiness la sizorun ibusiness indawo yemali la if una ama personal issues that you need to sort out nalabantu laba balinde baze bashayise ubalandelela abahlala khona but not here utawushuzi vele bamqosheke sister sabona urabotse istyle sakhe sokuthi uzosimoshela umsebenzi sibhale uri awustress manje asingene the traditional way uthi And now that sishadile awushozi uJames uapplyele like indlu rena lendlu zebed. I do have my own home. uJames nawe nendlu yakhe ibiza yena. Uthi awushozi now sinezinto zethu kaJames nakwami. So sihlala ngapha nangapha. I don't want to lose my house because indlu yabantwana bami. So I'm building no James, but I don't want ukuthi abantwana bami babe ku process because I know ukuthi if izinto ziyashintsha I might lose my house. So indlu yami iremene ebantwaneni bami. Then thina sihlala ngapha isikhathini esiningi kaJames. Uthi awushozi ke ugirl asiyaneke the traditional way. Uthi iqale into uqale ukuthi like ask James awushozi kuba le akulo uqa bushole robisi kuba eminyango. Iqale kanjani this thing James yavuka uya-check akunamuntu. How nami one time ngiyayizwa into ngiyavuka ngiya-check akhathi ama-light akunanto ngiyibona uri awushozi nini sekuyacala kuflash i-toilet ngizathi into lebusuku yaflash i-toilet hambe e-toilet ucheck-a awunamuntu umcheck umntwana ulele. Uthi awushozi umntwana mvele naye icala vele aqala ukuyizwa kaningi makafude ebusuku. Umntwana was like mina mama this house I think I-haunted. Kuqala kube umntwana asho lokho athi ngathi haunted mina I think ngizobuyela ekithi. Uthi awushozi umntwana mvele acela ukuthi ngifuna ukubuyela endlini yami ngicele one of my cousins ukuthi ahlale naye omdala osebenzayo ukuthi ahlale naye mina ngizohlala noJames. Hayi ibe kanjalo indaba. Uri awushozi hayi iqaleke into ke manje arukilo utlwa uRobert Shogobele into ibula ikhumula ngipoto. Uthi ngizozwa ngento ikhumulisa ibodo ekseni masivuka like lana phasi kunali nizibiza in ama kenga speed. Yo nyangibamba. Wabona uthi awushozi mafufura uri kakela kuna mafufura ndisho mfasi but asangu ngene umuntu umnyango usakhiwe but amabhodo awushozi awuna silikho libitsheni. Uthi ayisibelieve ukuthi hayi this house vele i-haunted yabona. Uri awushozi uJames kube ukuthi abize labafundisi laba bakreke yade ukuthi baze bazohasha endlini asilali. Uri awushozi bahashe endlini uthi ayisilale boma 2 to 3 days but isinga clean for 7 days bahashe ka everything yabona 7 days singa clean. Uri awushozi roba le boma 2 to 3 days orayi ibuye into ke manje ibuya ngama remix ke manje siyasikhomba ukuthi okay nina sendithatha ukuthi nilwa nami then I will fight with you guys. Uri awushozi banongnehera ayifika ari kilo utlwa bawushaya iswika lelo khulu kodi mandlo ari uto uthi so papa sonke same time. Uri awushozi utlwa mina khwatha uri awushozi benza kanjalo but asibone this thing ari dipoto nelitokhu ari like ivalo zamapot pants. Uthi ngathi James wabona ke this house asindlu right. Let's pack our bags sihambe sohlala endlini yami angeke phela. Uri awushozi repake diporokwana tsarina repake rekontronyaka. Endlini yami ikhona kune bedroom ngaphandle. My cousin amuvele ngaphandle ku bedroom thina singene ngaphakathi endlini. Uri awushozi exactly the same sound same everything benze yaka James. Alright my sister iyenzeke kwami everything iyenzeke kwami dipoto diwe kube ngathi khona like arikulo utlwa ngare poto ayiwile kube motho ayiragange itiyani bote ibuye ishayele ngibote athi benza kanjalo. Uri awushozi manje singaqala singaphenika ukuthi hayi phela lendlu yami be peaceful the whole time. All of a sudden masibuya kaJames sekuba so uthi uJames RM gacha asambe sohlola yabona this thing ke sihamba nemimoya. Uri awushozi sambe sohlola kumunye umama ke wesintu. Asifika umama was like abude why uhlala ngumntwana abantu umntwana athi msado umuntu oketheni wabapala ka yena ara msado usado wabapala ka uphilo baka uself ukuthumela ngentonayi. And into lena inzima ukuthi ungayikhipha because nanoma ungahamba uhlala Eastern Cape uye Cape Town I want to pack a bag mwanaka ipaka wena into ekyago bayicreate wena lemsadi yakho and izondlimaza lento le izondlimaza hamba ubele mfazi nakho uhopela thwarelo. James was like I'm not gonna do that. Angeke ngikhona ngizohamba kwenye inyanga ngizokhipha lento le. Uthi umama lo athi mina the only thing ngakutshela wena ukuthi wena usirelease lento le ibatla gore lo tsamaye ubone morago ulukishe morago gore ja go le gone ba shapo but if uthi uzolwa nayo nkalingaka nka se kgone ntwe bola mosadi ngwa gago morago o gopele tshwarelo ni hluwane kahle ashuzo James athi angeke khonakala uthi sihambe ke umakhosi lo sekwe angasincede or awushuzo ke this thing ke manje ibona ukuthi angisho sesibi are trying to fight silwa nayo ke manje or awushuzo into ibona ukuthi sesilwa nayo awushuzo or ntwe beyitsena nqongo risayibone besibona kwenzeka imhlolo kuphela but risabone sele or awushuzo one time Robert or berejwa go mekone or Saturday uthi Monday ebusuku makusa ebusuku silele awushuzi or Robert awushuzi umntwana cause this thing ibe sound ngasendlini bangasalala endlini uyalala necousin ngaphandle ku back room thina silala sithuno James endlini uthi silele awushuzi or iyatsena or ayitsena or iyafika vele ilenda ngathi kulenda like liswika mukudima nqema senka athi lenda like that aruzuzwa bo like uyovuka vele like utsoga because of uqhuqa utha isipiritual lithuni James ethi rephafuka uthi masiphafuka awushozi arendu emi ku kamareni athi ifishana ingaka ari kento khotswenyana awushozi ina le matswele ari so arayeme ina matswele notama abayibhela makhulu matswele abane amabele wezinje umthanga ngani size amabele we size wezinje ari ina le matswele awushozi ari ntwe mpili ina le umphambili omkhulu ari ina le maboya ari matsoga utlari kwa dichweni ari ngeke ngikhona ukudescribe ukuthi yini but like ungeke understand ukuthi yini ari ina le ditsebe awushozi imela pha isibhekile nami ngibhekile awushozi intwele ikitime iya kokhonini itikitime iya kokhonini ikitime awushozi kithuhile ukuthi I'm screaming for my cousin ukuthi avuka azosinceda phela sizobulawa yinto nayo awushozi intwela ishane ku kamareni ishane uthi James vele avuke ubatotseya umshanelo ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ayivuthule ngomshanelo cause like ibhizi idiraso or awushozi rayibona uthi strike rayibona kasi ayapara ayingaqokanga athi mayikhathala imaso like inja so like imaka nyawo zifo uthi nani ihamba or awushozi uthi that was the first time isicela ukuyibona uthi manje mayiza ke beyibamba uJames mayibuya for the second time or negatela James nasakhona utsoga nemqatelela sakhona utsokwa bano itla gonna or awushuzi nthula neitla ithome nyanye matswele go like ori advana ubone umuntu bama hypnotize ukuthi njani you can see everything that is happening but umzimba wakho decline akhona umove like uluza icontrol yomzimba wakho or awushuzi was like that the first time in Yogubeza. I was like that are ifikhe inqobule body because besilala sigqokile sisabalentuli uthi bengikhumula sibhoti asuze nenyanya matswele ariqhokoza ka asuze utse hore na ke nangwana khalka hore bale bana athi diqhokotsa ka tse ke lutwa difisha uthi be nginyanya ke tokonganya I fetso nyanya matswela ikgotsofala or ne tla go nna or awushozi beyenza whatever lona akakhona ukuvuka emgateletsi lena engigateletsi awushozi yenze whatever yafetja moko itsamai uthi awushozi first time mangivuka the level of trauma lebengiyo uthi kala nkarike tlhokofaletso uthi ngakhala awushozi kala ntola ke ibone dira whatever ke bone inyanya matswele uthi ngakhala uthi awushozi manke phafoga kelle uthi I was crying uthi ngikhale the level of trauma or ntwela in traumatized the first time ke bona because of beyenza izinto zabo icaca eromini besithukile but because of ayadirasilo kuri besitutuza ngalokho uthi now awushozi ngazinyanya umzimba wamonke uthi bengizinyanya awushozi ke zena showering ke hlapa ke dikhohla uthi uJames uzwe everything ubone everything but naye umzimba wakhe boku lockdown bangakhona or like he kept on apologizing awushozi uthi this thing yang affect emotionally physically uthi ngahluluka emsebenzini ngaze ngathathi leave or ke tša lefi so Australian angikhona ulala ebusuku drama la montsegare fela or Australian ingenze kanjalo or ingile like that neholela bobedi ingenza like that uthi labone Australian into ibuye on the Thursday or this time ayibuka itle like the very same way ezingakhona yayizwa Australian wayudwa motho but arikhona utsuka kumpeto uthi this time ayingazanga kimi iqile go abuti uthi Australian iyamenzani uthi Australian iyamenzani into yamenzani uthi maqeda uhamba Australian akaphafuka nami ngiphafuka or like I fika literally down you can see you can feel but you cannot move even noma ka khona move you cannot even scream uthi Australian makaphafuka or ke bona re abuti bano like utlile bothoko uthi ze makaphafuka uvele wahlika empedeni wagoqa phansi or Australian indoda yakhala uthi indoda yakhala or Australian you can dream about something uthi yenzekile ufeeling ngathi yenzekile but ela no yizo ukuthi iyenzeka real life iyadiragala hayi ukuthi ufeelile athi iyadiragala uthi akhale uJames akhale athi yimi athi I cannot live like this angeke ngikhona ukuphila like this ngithi this thing is hard because now we don't know ukuthi iyoqhubeka until when or khole labone is a Tuesday yes on a Thursday or khole labone on a Wednesday after ke ukwenza everything as an is khole labone iza kuphi emzini wami not emzini ka James or Australian James azanga khona lala James called umngani wakhe wasemsebenzini ukuthi no ngine issue so ngicela yamazi umakhosi ungasinceda urgently singaya kuye manje or Australian it was around 2:10 ngakhuluma nomngani wakhe was like no ngiyakhona emunye ngimazi ngakadirector ku Guy collection I asked director Australian sinemotweni sihamba sekumakhosi uthi masifika kumakhosi athi mina baba into engajela nokuthi hamba ubele kumfazi wakhe upolisa but ke ukufaka ukuthunzi ejakile ring gore into esahlele sabatamela mokoleni and then fa ukuthi nize nizosebenza izinto zenu zithu ukuthi sizama ukuthi siyayiqhosha but the only way ukuthi ihambe this thing ke gore uwele kumsadeni lento le icreate umfazi wakho and icreate gore ixo izonihlukumeza esikaba le peace nyalo lerato le fele lesahlela saratana into icreate ukuthi Australian ubaba akhalise izinto zakhe arithuncheche Australian arithuncheche aze endlini both of the houses ahashe adire dujaga with Australian sigcine on a Thursday lo lebeke fele or the following week on a Wednesday or Australian it went well or ayibuwa this time azange biyela ukuthi sisunokubeza or Australian this time I fika I dirang ifika irasa velisifikile uthi Australian lepala utsena ngonqulu uthi befuna ungena endlini ingakhoni ithi bambe handle iye bengifila ngathi le handle iyeshisa ayikhona ungena or irithwara handle ipalele or Australian ingaba mafestere yabe kamanala kominya uthi Australian uyiza ukuthi irritatekile uthi ihambe mos ikidimo athi lo like umuntu omfishane magijima athi umuntu uthi iyagijima Australian be rotate the whole house rotator just ukuthi is irritate but bengakhona ungena endlini uri Australian urelebo at least ayakhona ukena uthi following morning ekseni sibele kumakhosi sitshela makhosi khona ungena ejardini but ayakhona ungena endlini makhosi athi continue usebenzise endlemithi ukuthi ingakhona ukuba neaccess gini ingangeni or Australian bekise dikharetsela ingakhona ungena but still iyarasa iyenza whatever yenzayo ishada uthi hayi Australian ke silwena like that uthi hayi Australian one of our colleagues bekashada so my husband beka groomsman yakhe beka best man yakhe so we need to go to attend umshado resalko processing ukuthi siya cleanser ready everything to try to protect ourselves from lentole uthi hayi Australian bashada out of the province so ribukile ngoblaking eo morango teng gore a shuza isafika ku Friday yo go step sing baya practice ngoba mnati kaphuziwa asikhathi sokuthi siyolalake ora awushuza isiyolalake awushuza lokho umuntu olawo enjoy it's the first time sihamba umshado together after the wedding ibirele bethi limathatha kontuntsharena wazi into ezinjalo ora awushuza 12 o'clock obsho ora abuta file uabuti usukela suka khona go provincing engwa a re latelela mo re leng ko teng ore abuti afike uthi awushozi sizwe ngikudukudu both of us isavuka ke ore nako tse ditlhare tse bere tshwetša ka tsona everything se shebuphi ekhaya sizela because of rekile ka kae ko lenyalong and ka ba la bantira jika uthi awushoza bona lelo langane a re ntwela itlile ka force ukuthi ngifuna ukunikhomba ukuthi ngubani uri awushoza lelo langazange zesinukubeze swethu uri itlile yare better uthi awushoza ingenile yasibetha uthi lento yasishaya awushoza uri kila yare better kitsukule kirugile uthi my husband uvuke avuvukile bengivuvukile naye bekavuvukile uri awushoza ishatse urobotja bathorereng gore why reliso uthi mina I'm very light in complexion bekile pink my whole body are ngifila ngathi ihambile thatha utshani nabaza utshana ngisho ibubude and then yabo fotla yabo nikwenzani and then are nere betha ngare dikhomo ngare dipofolo uthi lento le awusuze ishayile masifonele umakhosi was like inlandelelile ihambe nani wani shimiti hayi makhosi besemshadweni kumele ukuthi nibuye manje because manje sine access inifikelelile nibuye msizo renew whatever besiyenza or awushozi resakhela sa attenda lenyalo we had to lie ukuthi umntwana involved kuka accident we need to go back home because of sisaba ukuboniwa or awushozi we had to call azange sibatshele physical basibone like this we had to call ukuthi sijikile umntwana ube involved with accident so we had to go back home or awushozi kimre umakhosi ahlakaniselwe ujaha sikeze senzeni or awushozi that very same night ibukile this thing at this time bano ikhonukena or yasiyenza ini awushozi both of us yarefutha for the second time or yarefutha uthi manje bengasashayile ukuthi sibe pink bese lishaya ukuthi rebele the straps esivulekile zegazi uthi ngashaya into engayazi awushozi or yarefutha ntwe uthi ekseni mangivuka ngathi yo James mina ngeke ngisakhona I cannot angeke ngisakhona this is not the life mina ngisayina bill for yona ukuthi ngicela nawe uthi whatever wena nomfazi wakho enibangayo please ningasamfaki now bona today this is where I draw the line akisabathaselo ngiyacela mntwana abantu phuma empilweni yami or awushozi nekebona umuntu iqompula yakhe ishiye bana bakalifaseni ngifeli indoda nomunye umfazi uthi bengibona ukuthi lana ngizofa uthi awushoze ngitshela uJames ukuthi ngicela ubile umfazi wakho yohubela thwarelo nibelane na ahole nalidia yabonga bhuti wami akisawubala uthi awushoze ngabe sengishumshado like that ngabe sengidivorce no James like that uthi the day ngimqoshe ngalo ngimpakele izinto zakhe uthi ngabela kumakhosi I told makhosi ukuthi umuntu lena ngikhiphile kwami bengicela uzoklinza indlu yami angeke asaphinda ngene uthi makhosi avuma ke athi ngizozakhe makhosi eza awushozi aklinza the whole uthi awushozi sihlukane vele ngimtshele vele ancengi uthi ngimtshele angisafuna ukuphinda ngikubona I'm going to block you everywhere ngicela ukuthi singasakhulumi na akisabaxobona you came into my life omile ukuthi uzongimoshela impilo uthi sihlukane awushozi umakhosi asebenze indlu uthi awushozi bengine number kaMama uthi I called umama ngithola ngiblockile or awushozi ke fonele ama relative wakibo James ngibatshela ukuthi lo une number ka James ka mfazi ka James cela ukuthi nimtshele ukuthi mina no James sihlukene azazothatha indoda yakhe I'm no longer we are no longer together so ngicela excuse me ngicela ukuthi nimtshele ukuthi asisathandani angisekho empini naye asisabanga indoda yakhe ngikhulile or awushozi angakutshela ukuthi net from lelo langa azange go sa ba le tokoloji tsena ngaka azange go sa ba le ntho ke sa itsebang tsena azange isazwa any sounds empilweni yami ukuthi awushozi kwaba nomunye umama ngihlangana naye edrobheni like bomebe ba tsenda scrake emithi uthi angitshela ukuthi mntwana unalero lempili lenzo ngicela uzohamba insebeletso esontweni ukuthi awushozi ngasihambele insebeletso kanti samayela insebeletso ngabe ngikekela kereke ekuphetha kephetha up until vele ngibe right what awushozi ntwela yasihlungula ngokutshele ukuthi kusihlengula both of us me and James batshwanta sheletse bantashet lies ukuthi awushozi ngaphuma lies ntashet both of us reja kukayikonto ela besiphila nezinto thina esizidlayo more private parts because of retire from one to environment with us after sengihamba insebeletsho impilo yami yabela back to normal or unfortunately us James didn't want to go back to the wife wagcina bathi bamthola shonile endlini ukuthi what really happened azange ngifuna ukubuza walose impilo yakhe just like that. So awushoze mothwara imali unalemsadi akangikhulumisa ngivele ngithi no ake bahle mathatha athi amadoda abantu nyawasaba abantu besifazana bayazazi izinyanga hey bathu babaxolisa ntimekene komgodini for indoda or awushoze abomama begroup yakho abafuna ushaya ababe careful basadi babanina babangabaluka nina anginamlo cabanga uzwe ukubezwe into asebusuku izokufakele intashet ilice but still ukusangangareji batshela kahle ukuthi indoda ihambe apologize ay yimi ukuthi first time mangenyangeni abathi because of umsali ukuthi no baba bele move wela kumsali ngwawo ngasifuni my life is very important sizofela emanyaleni nina